I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters.
Today we're making a coleslaw, but with a twist. It's gonna have pineapple in there, so it's a pineapple coleslaw. Good as a side or any...
It goes with any meal, is what she means. You can have it with your pulled pork on a bun, with coleslaw. You can have it with spaghetti and coleslaw. You can have whatever you want. Anyways, let's get started and I always make the coleslaw, the dressing on my own. So a little bit of mayo, and then I add a bit of sugar in there. Mix that all up. Might need a little bit more. Then some vinegar, white vinegar. All right. And I mix it all up. Kathy, would you mind mixing that for me?
I would love to for you.
Okay, thank you. And then I like to add paprika. So I'm gonna add some paprika in that.
I don't normally do paprika. I always do the salt and pepper, but I'm gonna have to.
I put paprika in it every single time. And some pepper. And some salt. All right. So that pretty much is our coleslaw salad dressing. So it's super easy.
I'm going to add some of our pineapple chunks in there. I'm gonna add them dry because then they'll give that little bit of a crunch in there as well. You can refresh them if you want, and they will refresh with the dressing, but I like to do that. And we will just...
Yeah, absolutely, sunflower seeds.
There we go.
Yeah, those are great. All right, so we're just gonna mix it together. Now I might have made a little bit too much, but that's okay, we'll just... All right.
I think we might need more than that. Yeah.
A little bit more?
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah, that looks yummy. Generally, I put raisins in there too, and some people don't like the raisins. We'll pick them out. But with the sunflower seeds, that's nice. But with the pineapple, it's a little bit more tropical for the summertime, and it makes it nice, especially if you're going to have it with pulled pork, like on a bun, and then you got the pineapple on the side. That tastes really yummy, doesn't it?
So good, just add that little sweetness. So remember to give us a thumbs up if you like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And also hit the notification bell, which warns you when we're actually posting a new video, so you can actually see that too. So,
and remember,
you can do this too.